Hello friends, and welcome back in the web series of Learn HTML. This is part 9. My name is AJ and I'm welcoming you all on behalf of Exire. Today we are going to learn Div Tag and Span Tag, which is inline tag. Div Tag basically stands for division. So if you want to create certain divisions in the website or the web pages, you can use a div tag, and you can use a span tag also, and which is an inline tag. Basically there are certain tags which should not be used inside one another, like paragraph tag should not be used inside the table tag, or so on and so forth. But span tag is not like paragraph tag. It can be nested within any tag, means even within the table data tag, td tag, the div tag, or the paragraph tag, heading tag, anywhere. This basically is for uh, particular designing. Means, say, suppose if you have mentioned a heading, this is the heading, and you want heading to be in some different color with rest of the things, you can design it. So this is basically used for designing. Unless you have used it for designing, it doesn't have any effect in the graphical presentation or the documentational presentation in the browser. I'll just be using this to show you. I'll be using a certain colors or something to show how this works, but we'll use it when we'll start designing through CSS. I'm not using any kind of style tags in my tutorials. I'm using only plain HTML tags just to inform you how these things are working. So we'll start with creating a new page, and instead I'll copy and paste so that I don't have to enter, or I don't have to type in all the head and title tags once again. So this will be div and span tag. So today we are going to view these things. So we'll open this in the browser. Yep, so we are here in today's page, and now we'll open it with Notepad++. I think I'm promoting Notepad++ too much, just because it's free and it's good to use. Yes, it's good in using. So I'm deleting the previous code. We'll refresh this. Okay, baby. Now we will see the use of div tag first. So these are the starting and closing of div tags. You can mention any text. This is the sample text. This is the sample text, and simple. This is the division. And if you want to view certain other div, you can view this, Control R. So you will see the div has been started from a separate paragraph or something, whatever you say. There is a difference between div and paragraph. The paragraphs exist within the div, but the div shall not be nested within the paragraphs, as means, I mean, it will not have any effect on the presentation here, but due to search engine algorithms these days, you will be penalized if you are not using the HTML tags properly, and your website may not come in the search results properly. So please take care of these tags if you don't want to get yourself penalized. And now, as I was talking about, the second one is span tag. So I'll be using it here somewhere. Span, span, close it. This is the sample text, this is the sample text. We'll close it. So as I told you, this is not going to have any change in the graphical presentation of this one, but if you want to, so I'll use a style tag. I'm not supposed to use it here, as these are only HTML tutorials, but just to show you the difference, I'm using it, as I'll be teaching you each and everything about styling, about CSS, about designing the HTML documents in the CSS tutorials. So I'll just use simple. I'll not use the hash codes and everything. See, this is the sample text. It has not affected any other part of um your document, only this part. So guys, if you want to if you want to show any kind of styling within a particular block of the code, say the div or the paragraph or table or heading, anything, span can be used anywhere. Span is basically a certain area within another tag which needs to be represented differently due to any reason, and this will not be penalized in search engines. So this is it for today's tutorials. I'll be back with a new tutorial very shortly. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you want to view all the tutorials, you can visit exire.com. And if you want to receive future updates regarding this channel from YouTube, you can click on subscribe, and you can share this video if you want to spread the information and knowledge among others, as I do. Thanks a lot. Thanks once again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.